Okay, so let's start chapter number 5. Okay, now let me make a new note for this. Chapter number 5, that's internet and its uses. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
The internet and its uses. Okay, that's fine. So, background. Okay. Can you see my the WhatsApp screen now?
No.
Oh, okay. So, Umar, people they think the same thing. Internet and the www, they think it's the same thing. Www and internet, both terms actually they are the same, which is absolutely wrong, right?
Yeah.
So if I say internet, if let me, shall I write it down or okay? Let me write it down. The internet is a global network of, let me write it down. The internet, shall I write it for you?
Yes.
The internet is a global network of interconnected, interconnected computer and devices, computer and devices. Devices can be routers, it can be switches, it can be like access points, um, like the medium as well, fiber optic, copper, satellite, everything, right?
Yeah.
The internet is a global network of interconnected computer and devices, and internet infrastructure, it allows all the device, let me write, it allows, internet allows, it allows what? Internet allows the devices to communicate with each other by using protocol. Normally it's a TCP/IP, right? Transmission control protocol and internet protocol. So internet actually that allows all kinds of devices, for example, laptops, computers, in a office, in homes, no matter you are sitting on the top of the mountain, you are using satellite, so you can communicate, you can share the pictures, you can share the data by using different devices. All these devices can communicate with each other by using protocol. Umar, clear?
Yeah.
The internet, it uses like it uses emails. It can you can share the files. It uses voice over ip. Voice over ip means, say for example, when you make me a call on WhatsApp, that is, it's using voice over ip, right?
Yeah.
Online gaming, etc., etc. All these things, these features, these facilities are provided by internet. So if I summarize this, then internet, it's a broad term where, let me write it. Internet internet is a broad term, not specific to www, that gives you a facility of that gives you a facility of chatting, sending emails, sharing photos, sharing data, let me say, sharing data, online gamings, etc., etc. Umar, clear?
Yeah.
Whereas talking about www, that is a limited, www, World Wide Web, World Wide Web, it's a system of interlinked, let me write, www, it's a system, it's a system of interlinked, interlinked hyper documents, hyper documents and resources like, and resources like web pages, multimedia, audio videos, podcast, etc., etc. And all these can be accessed via internet, right?
Yeah.
So it means World Wide Web, it totally depends on the internet, right? So you can access like YouTube, you have like a lot of videos, documentaries, audio, videos, podcast, different websites. All these data are hosted somewhere on the websites, and all these can be accessed through internet. Now, is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay, say for example, internet. As I said, the internet, it's a very broad term, uh, because it uses global network infrastructure and it connects billions of devices, right? Say for
Yeah.
example, if everyone in Pakistan, Dubai, everyone has like two devices, one laptop and one mobile. So you can imagine it yourself कि like पाकिस्तान में if we have the population of 25 crore then ये कितनी devices बनेंगी and around the globe these are the billions of devices, right?
Yeah.
So internet में that like provides you communications data exchanges facility as I said, and there are so many features like आप email भी send कर सकते हैं, you can chat, आप download uploading FTP, file sharing, online gaming, and just like now I am taking your class online class, so it's one of the example of the internet, right?
Yeah.
ओके, www ये मैंने बता दिया आपको। हाइपर टेक्स्ट होता है, इट्स अ कलेक्शन ऑफ मल्टीमीडिया पेजेस, ऑडियो, वीडियो एंड टेक्स्ट। यू कैन एक्सेस द इंफॉर्मेशन बाय यूजिंग द प्रोटोकॉल HTTPS, हाइपर टेक्स्ट ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल, राइट?
Yeah.
And you can access HTML documents, web pages, multimedia content, and different types of web-based applications, right? So
Yes.
if I can make a diagram, let's say internet, the simplest definition, by the way, of internet is the collection of networks. Though that's it doesn't make a like a formal sound, but internet, say for example I am sitting here, these are the devices at my home, right? Mobiles, etc., and they are connected, all my devices are connected through router, and I am using an ISP, that is, for example, it is internet service provider, it can be PTCL or Natel, etc., etc., right? So you are
Yeah.
sitting somewhere here, right? And you have devices at home. This is your area, Omar. So you are connected through, like, say, for example, connected with the Do. They have their own network infrastructure. ISP hai, they have their own servers, and there are DNS servers, they are firewall servers, they have like anti-malware servers, proxy servers, blah blah blah. So the data can be shared. This is the internet, and this internet, including these ISPs, they have routers, they have switches, they have firewalls, etc., etc., etc. Right?
Yes.
So this is how the internet works, from a standalone computer to like it can communicate with the rest of the world. Rest of the world mean anyone who is sitting on the last corner of the world. Okay,
Yeah.
by just having internet connection. So internet and say for example www may we need to have uh, an internet connection. This is the requirement, आपके पास you must have internet connection. जाहिर है इंटरनेट के बगैर आप इंटरनेट ही नहीं एक्सेस करते थे, हाउ हाउ कैन यू एक्सेस द www? इंटरनेट कनेक्शन होना चाहिए आपके पास, then you should have a browser. It can be any browser like Opera, Edge, Safari, etc., etc. Safari, Opera, Google Chrome, etc. Then फिर क्या होता है, you can open the browser, you can write the website name youtube.com, then you hit the press button, then it takes you on the internet, right? Where we have servers, web servers, where the websites are hosted, multimedia, audio, video, and all kind of data that is stored on the web servers, right? So we can
Yeah.
have access of those data, right? Sometimes we have like a free one. Definitely we don't need to have the password and username on all websites, लेकिन sometimes कुछ आपकी, if you are working in a company and you are accessing some company's data, this is for example company है telenor.com.pk, then you should have to identify yourself for user ID, then password, and their server make sure the identity is that true, is that a real person or a fake account. ठीक हो गया? This is a long debate, by the way. So this is how you can access the resources on the internet, right? So
Yeah.
internet is the backbone. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. So is that enough for today?
Yes, sir.
So inshallah we'll discuss tomorrow a new topic that is definitely related to the internet, right? Uh,
Yeah.
okay. Then see you tomorrow, inshallah. Okay.
Okay.
Allah Hafiz.